In this episode, we discover one of the coolest buildings in North Bimini. We search for signs of alien life in the Bahamas. We find a cool spot to hang out and cool off. And we find a cool place to sip a drink out of a coconut. We started this day by taking the ferry over to North Bimini. It's a very short ride, but it's the only way to get there unless you have your own boat or you're willing to swim. We stopped by a place called the Dolphin House. This is a really unique place built by a man named Ashley Saunders. He started building this place back in 1993. The amazing thing is that he has built this all by himself using only materials that he has found around the island.
This will always be amusing. I may not be around, but it'll still be amusing.
Right.
We got a couple of judges in it. People will stay to Georgia. 60 countries I've been to pay a visit. I asked them, what country are you from?
This would be a cool place to stay. Look at you, you have a view of the water right there. Man. This part of the building that is still under construction is the third level. It will eventually become an Airbnb once it's done. So a question for you. When do you think the Airbnb will be ready?
Hopefully before Christmas.
Wow.
Before, so I think by fall.
Do you know how much you're going to charge yet?
No, we'll talk about that part.
Yeah.
Get it done.
So this is the view from the top of the Dolphin House. Wow. Of course, as you're running around North Bimini, there's plenty of places to grab a bite to eat and enjoy a wonderful view of the water. Stewart's Conch Salad stand is a must if you love conch salad. If you've never had it before, you definitely need to try it. Of course, eventually, it was time to get back to what we came here for in the first place, riding our skis. Man, is this freaking gorgeous out here or what? Look at this. Jeez. said the history was, Tom?
So, some guys flying over in a plane found it in like the 40s. And they thought, oh man, this is like this is proof of an ancient civilization.
Okay.
Because they're like perfectly geometrically.
Oh wow.
And they just go.
Yeah.
But then they found out later it's just a natural formation.
Wow. Okay. Are we dropping anchor here?
Yeah, we're gonna anchor here. Rose wants to do some snorkeling.
I think you're right there, sir.
This is about 5. We're not. I thought you were gonna hit the rocks. No, brother. I was like, fuck. Go the other way. You got another line? Yeah. Yeah. I don't know about that first part.
Well, we're leaving our little beach/reef area. We hung out here for a while and had a great time. Got a chance to get in the water and then just take in the freaking beauty. Now we're gonna head down to a spot where we can get some coconut drinks with some good stuff in it. Stopping at Radio Beach for a visit to Coconut Brian's for a nice cool drink was a perfect way to end a good day of riding. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like if you haven't already done so. We've got one more video to come in the Bimini series, and of course that'll be the video covering our trip back home. I hope you've enjoyed these. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and until next time, safe riding.